Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are starting a rapid fire declutter and pack with me. I say that, and if you're one of those that loves the long drawn out declutter videos, very involved with the conversation piece, explanations, swatches, that's probably not this video, because we move in about a week, about 10 minutes down the road, and I just need to get everything packed up. That way we can move seamlessly. Now, I know that there's some things that I automatically know I want to get rid of, but I'm going to go through each drawer, the bookshelves of the eyeshadow palettes, and we're going to see what needs to go. Now, anything that I do declutter is going to go to friends. I am not shipping anything out. Please don't ask in the comments. I really am not going to send anything out. I will offer it up to my friends that live close in the area that can come and pick it up, or I can drop it off to them on my way home from work one day. Now, if you want to see the first part of this declutter series, and I say series, it's 3 videos, and it is probably the quickest declutter I have ever done. It only took me 2 evenings, whereas my previous declutters have taken me like 2 weeks. This is, like I said, a quick, rapid fire, going through the drawers, products, and just being cutthroat on, yep, I'm keeping it, nope, I'm not. So, before we dive into it, I can tell you that this first one is going to be blushes, bronzers, highlights, and face palettes. And then we'll carry on in the next 2 add-ons of different face products. Now, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what I kept in the collection and packed to move, and what I got rid of and gave to my friends, just keep watching. I feel like we were just in this room doing a tour, and now I'm about to break it down, pack it up so I can move it 7 minutes that way. And one of the things I need to do is I need to dismantle my backdrop, because when I go and declutter some of this stuff, it makes more sense for me to compare it against things. So let me do that real quick, get them into their drawers. Because for me, when it comes to like packing or anything, I'll still put stuff away so I can go through it and make sure I want to use it or pack it or whatnot. I'm weird that way. Everything needs to be in its place. Okay, we got it put away for the most part. Now we can go through, declutter, and start loading everything in the Rubbermaid totes that I have. Okay guys, I feel like we were just here, and this is going to be pretty quick because I think I have an idea of which ones are staying, which ones are going. Like Complex Culture, this is staying. My Hourglass ones, which I just did a video on, are staying. These 2 from NARS. Let's see. I think those are both staying as well. This has 2 different highlighters. This has 1 highlighter and then more blushes. So I feel like they need to stay. This one I just got from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it was in a subscription box. I wasn't a huge fan of it. So I think because the bronzer is a little too light and then the highlighter is a little more like yellowy, this I will end up passing on to a friend. This from Beauty Bay. Absolutely love Beauty Bay and their products, but the blushes just aren't my cup of tea. I have a highlighter palette and I can definitely use this. The bronzer was not my shade, so I am going to pass this one on. So Kylie, really want to keep it, but I am going to keep it. Yes, this one and MAC, keeping those. Gonna keep Tarte. Like I said, this isn't like get rid of everything. It's just don't take with me what I don't need. And I say that as I look at everything that I have. This one from Charlotte Tilbury, just got this one, absolutely love it. I'm gonna keep the one from Glamlight. Cool toned highlighter and blush, gotta keep that. Keeping, oh, I keep forgetting that this is down here. I love this palette. I need to reach for this more. These are all ColourPop, so I'm gonna keep those. Both of these are NARS, and I'm gonna keep both of them. This one I held on to and I've used it a couple times. I'm still undecided on it. All right, so out of face palettes, I got rid of 2. This one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is the Italian Summer, is just too light. And then the Bronze Blush and Glow, I have a highlighter palette that I like more, and I have other blushes and bronzers. So these are gonna go to friends. Okay, now onto bronzers, and I'm probably gonna get rid of more from this drawer than I did my face palettes. First one, ColourPop. This is in the shade Summerland Beach. I really like the bronzer, and I actually need to buy a different shade, but this one's just too light for me, so I'm passing that on. Now, I think I have quite a few that like I'm gonna end up keeping. The cream contours, these I have been absolutely loving. Now the other thing, which one is this? Chic Glam? I think I already got rid of the cool toned one. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna keep this one. And then I keep holding on to this, but I think I've since replaced it with other powders. This is the Kevyn Aucoin. It needs to be thrown away. Huda Beauty Bronzer, these are staying. I just use this from ABH and I think I got it in a subscription box. No, I purchased this. I'm not a fan. Like, I have other cream bronzers that I like more, like the one from Say that I just purchased. Absolutely love this, but this one I'm gonna get rid of. These ones are really pretty. Can't get them anywhere else. Okay, this one I need to repurchase. The Jaclyn Sandy, probably in a deeper shade. And I don't even know if they have this same stuff because it was a limited release. Love this one. Marc Jacobs. These 2 from Morphe. Are they the same shade? They're similar. This one might be too light. I'm gonna keep this one. Love, love. Are these powders or cream? I'm gonna get rid of the cream contour from Iconic. Love these ones from Too Faced and LYS, which I have been pronouncing this wrong the entire time. I was saying Liss, it is LYS, and I got a comment on one of my videos from them, and they were just the sweetest, trying to help me like know how to pronounce their name. So, oops, I'm sorry. Alamar, really like this one. Juvia's, I think I need other shades. These are too light for me, but I love the formula. Moira Sculpt and Bronze, keeping Park Avenue Princess. Moira, don't sleep on it. Best brand that I found that is super affordable, and they are a British brand. Love both of these. I probably need a deeper shade of the putty bronzer. This is in, what is it, Turks and Caicos? Tan Lines. I think Turks and Caicos is my blush, actually. Contour from Luxaza. Really like this cool toned L'Oreal Infallible. Probably need a deeper shade, but I really like this one as well. Both of these I'm keeping. Just picked up the Charlotte Tilbury. It still might be a little too light, but it's a good contour shade. Patrick Sculpted. Love this. And actually, I need to be picking stuff that I want to keep out, like the Patrick Ta keep for the next week. Love all of these. Oh, another one from Charlotte. Love this one. Too Faced. Love this. Fenty. All of these are really good. This one from Physicians Formula Butter Glow. Really like this one, especially in the summer when I just want this on my face when I'm at the pool or whatnot. And then these 2. So for bronzer contours I'm getting rid of these 3 plus these 2. So they will go to my friends, and if not, donated. Okay, you guys, blushes might be a little more difficult, and this one right here wouldn't even fit in the drawer because it's too tall, and it is super cute. I'm gonna keep this one. I wanna say this is Jill Stewart. Yes, Jill Stewart. Really cute. Love the applicator on this. Now I have these cream ones from Charlotte Tilbury. Absolutely love them. This one I just got in Pink Gasm Sunset. That's the name of it, right? Yep, gonna keep this one. Probably gonna put it in my makeup bag for the next week and a half until I get my room set up. Jaclyn, Halo Glow. NARS, I still haven't used this one. I'm gonna leave this one out. Maybe I'll get some use out of it. Luxaza, this one was too light. They sent me a deeper shade, so I'm gonna get rid of 1 and keep 4. Eloise, we've already talked about it. It is sold out. I am not getting rid of this. Lethal. M Cosmetics. I keep forgetting about this. It's been in my little whirly thing on top. I don't know if you guys ever saw how this got organized after my last declutter. This is it. It's still not perfect, but it's better than it had been. This one from Alice in Wonderland. A bunch of ColourPop ones. Bowl. This one's too orange. This one from Iconic that I just got, absolutely love this. Patrick Ta has phenomenal products. This one might be too cool toned. And Kissing a Frog, I'm gonna hold on to it for right now. This one from Physicians, I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm gonna pass this one on, but there is the strawberry one that I just got. Really like this one, so I'm keeping that. I love the little heart-shaped ones. I still have not used this cream one from LYS. Need to. I love everything else I've used from them. This one scares me. It's just liquidy. Oh, I'm gonna keep it though, just in case. This is the one in Turks and Caicos, the blush. Love this. So beautiful. This one from Can Make Cream Blush. I used this in a K-Beauty makeup tutorial like 4 years ago. This one's probably like dried up, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Gonna keep those. All liquids, creams, whatever. Ooh, this one from Item. Keep this one out. Gonna keep all of those and that one. So I didn't get rid of a lot, and I didn't think I was going to, but the Can Make this one in orange from, what is it, Christian Dominique, and then these two because they're not really my shades. Now on to highlighters. I feel like this is absurd because this is not the only drawer, this is the first drawer. Creams, I've got Fenty Halo Glow from e.l.f. These two from Charlotte, beautiful, keeping. Merit, really like this one from Anastasia, keeping that one. Highlighters is going to be difficult. If you want to see me declutter them, this is probably not the video, especially because like the Cali Ray one's phenomenal. Diamond and Glow. I don't know that there's one recently that I'm just like, oh my god, I gotta get rid of it. Like this one from Kama, beautiful. Okay, I'm not getting rid of any from this highlighter drawer. Okay, these are the ones that I don't grab for as much, but I can't guarantee there's any that I'm gonna get rid of. This one from Physicians Formula, I like it. I don't know that I love it though. I'm gonna hold on to it because I did just recently get this one. This one from She Glam and Corpse Bride, I am going to get rid of. I do have this blue in another palette. Beauty Bay, their highlighter palette, phenomenal. Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey. Northern Lights from Patrick's Jeffree Star. This one was on my table for the longest time. Absolutely love this. Ace Beauty. Ooh, look how beautiful that is. I might just keep this one out. You never know when you need a colorful highlighter. Ooh, and for summer, these are the best from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Marc Jacobs, ColourPop, yeah, those are all staying. This one from Melt is stunning. Look at that. Look at that. This is why I got rid of the She Glam, because this one from Odin's Eye, absolutely stunning. This one from Jennifer Lopez and Inglot, look at that. It's beautiful. It's even more gleamy on the skin. And Wet and Wild. Yeah, all of these are gonna stay. I'm sorry, not decluttering highlighters. You guys, that is probably the quickest I have gotten through my face palettes, bronzers, highlighters, and blushes. I know I didn't declutter a lot. I told you guys I probably wouldn't, but I feel good because I'm just keeping the things that speak to me the most and not wasting space on the things that I don't want to take with me. But like I said before, those things are going to go to my friends and they will find new homes in their makeup drawers. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications to new videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.